What's up people? So in this video we're going to look at KDE Plasma. So I've been using window managers all my life. I used DWM and before that I used BSBWM. But right now I'm using KDE Plasma about a month now. So let's see how we can make it act like a window manager, all this tiling layouts and stuff. Let's start with settings. So I got basic shortcuts. So go to shortcuts, global shortcuts, Kevin. Shall search for desktop. For switching between desktops, I'm using Alt 123 QWE. I'm using QWE because I cannot type 456 without looking at the keyboard. So QWE is easier to press, and I can one hand them easily. So I got those stuff, and so yeah, if those are not enough, you got all the, I don't know what they're called, yeah, activities, I think. So that would be the very basic thing, and you can create shortcuts for closing windows and stuff like that. And let's see, go to window manager and go to Kevin scripts, and down here you will find the manager plugin manager thing. Here install this plugin. I don't know how to pronounce that. Install that one and tick to make enable it and hit apply. Then when you do, let's say, by the way, my shortcut to open terminal windows is Alt enter. Now if I hit that, it's going to open a window. Now if I hit it again, you can see I got this tiling layout. Let's open a few more. You can see they're going to the layouts is going to be something like this. Now you should be able to switch between layouts. First go to shortcuts, go to global shortcuts. In Kevin, search for the plugin name. So these are all the actions available from that script, and we can switch between layouts using, by the way, I have changed it. This is, I don't know what is, but this is by default. I'm using Alt comma. So if I hit Alt comma, you can see we got a monocle. It's going to full screen the focused window, tree column, whatever that is, spread. So we got a bunch of layouts. Mainly I'm using float and monocle, and of course tile. So yeah, we got those stuff. For floating windows, I can hit Alt S. I'm using that because sometimes I'm using Tor browser, and it's recommended to use the default window size because people can track you by the window resolution or whatever. So I got floating. Control Alt F to monocle and Alt T to tile layout. So yeah, I got all that stuff. For switching, sometimes I'm using this overview, or I should be able to use right screen edge. I'll show you how to configure them. Actually, let me show you that right now. Go to behaviors, workspace behaviors, go to screen edges, and you should be able to select an edge and assign a action. I'm using desktop grid. You got desktop cube as well. It's something like this. It's kind of cool for videos and stuff, but when you're really working, it's kind of hard to move between workspaces and select windows. So that's why I'm using grid. For right edge, I'm using present windows in the current desktop. This one is show desktop. Simply it's going to show the desktop. Okay. Now one really important thing is moving the windows to a workspace. So for that, go to window discard, go to window management, go to window rules, then you should open the application you want to assign a workspace to. Let's open a what do we open? Okay, I'm gonna open Kate. So let's create a new rule. Click on new, detect window properties, click on this one, and click on the window you want to be handled. We got class, all those properties. We got class, role, type, title and stuff. So for browsers, I'm using the role because all the browsers has the role as browser. But if you want to be more specific, you can use class. So for this one, I'm going to use second class name. Hit OK. Then you can see we have selected exact match to be this one. So whatever the window will be moved to whatever the rule we are setting. Okay, now I'm going to only move the normal window, and let's go to size and position. Click here, click on this desktop. I'm going to apply this initially, so that way if I want to move this to something another workspace, I should be able to do that. If you force it, however, you won't be able to move it to another desktop. So yeah, apply initially, then select the workspace. I'm going to move it to music, fourth workspace. Then hit OK, hit apply. The next time you are opening this one, it's going to be open in the fourth workspace. You can see right now I'm in the fourth workspace. Let's go to the overview. Actually, let me change the behavior to grid. Alright, now we can see the Kate editor is in fourth workspace. So I think these are the basic stuff we need from most essential features that those are offered by window managers. And additionally, we're getting kind of advanced multi-monitor features from KDE Plasma and all these widgets and stuff, themes and all that. So yeah, I think this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.